The National Foreign Language Center at the University of Maryland is pleased to present our e-learning portal, a free and extensive catalog of language learning materials for learners and instructors. From the portal homepage, scroll down to learn more about the types of materials available. Click on a material type to read a brief description of it, and if available, watch an overview video. When you are ready to explore all the portal has to offer, click Catalog. The catalog table provides high-level information and allows you to quickly launch objects. From the catalog page, use the filters to search through available materials. Click each filter title to expand or collapse filter options. In the language filter, you can view the full list of available languages by clicking on the Show More link. Or to find a language quickly, type the language name into the search box. Selected filter options move to the top of the list. In addition, selected filters will appear above the catalog table. As you select additional filters, the remaining unused filters will display the options that are still available. Use the word search feature to search for a word or phrase in object titles and descriptions. Type in a keyword and click Apply to find objects that match your search. Filters can be cleared at the top of each filter category or by clicking on the selected filters above the table. To remove all filters, click Clear All Filters. To learn more about an object, click on the title. When you are ready to begin a lesson or assessment, click Launch and use the available navigation features to progress through the object. You can also bookmark an object by clicking Add Bookmark. A list of objects you have bookmarked can be accessed by clicking My Bookmarks. Please note that bookmarks are specific to a device and web browser and are dependent on browser cookies. If you clear your cookies, your bookmarks will also be cleared. You can remove bookmarked objects by selecting the bookmarks and clicking Remove Selected Bookmarks. To reorder your bookmarks, use the drag and drop icon and click Save Order. Reset Order will sort bookmarks back to the order they were added. As an alternative, you can also click Show Row Weights. Type in the numbers for the order you want your bookmarks to appear in, starting with 0. Then click Save Order. To return to the drag and drop option, click Hide Row Weights. Objects can also be launched from this page. Your bookmarked items can be downloaded for future reference by clicking Actual PDF, ILR PDF, or CSV for spreadsheets. Within the PDF, if you are connected to the internet, you can click on the title of an object to bring you to the object's information screen. You can always get back to the main catalog by clicking on Catalog, and find help topics and answers to frequently asked questions by clicking on Help. We hope our e-learning portal will help to meet your language learning and instruction needs. The portal is a free resource brought to you by the National Foreign Language Center at the University of Maryland, helping people understand each other and the world around them. Please visit nflc.umd.edu to learn more about the National Foreign Language Center and our current initiatives.